welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guess what we're doing this week? We are cooking, and I know I said I'm never gonna ever do another cooking vlog, but I usually do things that I say I'm never ever gonna do. So, here we go. So this week is the Christmas week, so that means lots of food, and there's actually two very important doings this week. We got the Sing Fest and just a big Christmas supper. That's on me because I'm the cook and I'm the boss, so I gotta just get that all figured out. I have help, but I still feel the weight of the responsibilities on my shoulder. And so yeah, it's gonna be a stressful week, and I just figured, you know, there's just one way to make this week more stressful, and that is by bringing you guys along. I'm not saying you're stressful, I'm just saying that cooking and vlogging is stressful. So yeah, I like stress, so let's get this show on the road. I guess this is the introduction to the cooking series. Let's go. So the cook week actually doesn't start on Monday, it starts on Sunday. Sunday right after dinner, we just start preparing for the week. So if you have brothers like me, lots of brothers and brothers' friends, they would help me peel my potatoes, or they would peel the potatoes, the carrots, everything. They peel it for the week, and the rest of us here just cut up the potatoes, cut up the meat, just prepare everything for the week. So Sunday, no day of rest here. They're washing my potatoes. All I know for sure is this is for the curry chicken on Thursday. Yes, yes, boys. So the morning was sort of, everybody else did the work and I did my menus. I didn't really take any videos because I was busy Pinteresting recipes and figuring out my menu and all that stuff. And usually you're supposed to do that before you cook. But I've been teaching for the past month. I was substituting for one of the girls here, and it was an experience, one that I will probably make a video about. Okay, it looks like we have fries and sheep stew, squash, and it's gonna hurt. Some more sheep stew, squash, soup, mushroom soups in here. My motto this week is light dinners or light lunches, and I really hope we can make that happen. We're also having liver. I'm the kind of cook that brings her fellow cooks some matcha. So whoever wants to cook with me is blessed. Monday afternoon is the soup day. Anyways, he is doing the sound system, getting ready for the song fest, which is going to be Friday. And for supper we have a good old Hutterite staple. It's actually one of my favorite foods. And if I ever die, it's gonna be my last meal. So it's sauerkraut and Wurst, or sausage, and Spätzle. What is a Spätzle? It's basically just, it's basically just like a dough of some sort. I don't know. It has the consistency of like a waffle. And then you take this And then you scoop it into boiling water and you have a spätzle. Okay, it's not my favorite thing to eat, but it's one of them. I always said, when I'm gonna die, so right before I die, obviously, my last meal is going to be spätzle and sauerkraut and schmagus. So that's how much I love them. I don't think many people around here love them, but I'm the cook and I'm gonna make them. Okay, this is schmagus. It could be called white pudding, but it's basically just milk and you boil it and then you put some flour and salt in there and just wait for it to thicken. And butter. Lots of butter. Sometimes we get a little dessert here in the kitchen. Hi, baby. Hey. I don't know what this salad is, Myrna. I am trusting you. It has.
It's called Japanese salad.
It's called Japanese salad. Do you see this mess? Me and this girl, we're gonna fix this mess. No. Danny, what are you making? So mocha?
Mocha.
Mint?
Mint.
Tea.
Tea.
Mocha mint tea.
Mocha. My tea.
That's what we're having. It's cute. So thank you. Danny, we're gonna make a disaster. This is our salad. We don't just eat unhealthy, we also eat healthy. I mean, we eat healthy all the time, never unhealthy. This is the sum total of the food. So there's the spätzle, basically boiled dough that's like sort of salty, and then there's the white pudding. And then we have the sausage or the Wurst and the sauerkraut, a salad, and some roasted parsnips. And that is supper. I'm not a traditionalist. I don't like traditional foods, but I love this. So yeah. We also have a few gluten intolerant and dairy intolerant people here. So we have to cook gluten and dairy free. I've discovered oat milk and coconut milk for dairy free people works like a charm. And for the gluten free people, we like to use oat flour and einkorn. Einkorn is a sort of grain that doesn't have gluten in there. I don't know how it works, but it works. It's super expensive though, I think. A lot of people are asking me about how we cook for people with allergies. So yes, nobody goes hungry. We accommodate for most food disabilities. Well, Monday is officially in the books. I hear they've planned a Bethlehem walk. Let me see if I can take you along with us as we go for a Bethlehem walk. It should be fun.
our sovereign God appointed me, Gabriel, to proclaim a message to Mary of Bethlehem. And of his kingdom there shall be no end. And today our sovereign God has a new message, not to the palace of the marketplace, but to the country. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And you shall find the babe wrapped in a swaddling clothes, lying in a manger.
And the crowd followed the angel into Bethlehem, I guess.
We're looking for a baby. Is there a baby here?
Yes, here's my baby.
No. We're looking for a baby that was born tonight, wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger.
Sorry, I can't help.
All right.
Oh, what is it?
Is there a Messiah here?
A Messiah?
Yes, we're looking for a baby.
Did he
Messiah.
escape from his crib?
Well, no, we're looking for the place he was born, for his home.
That's not my problem. What is this baby supposed to do?
He saves humanity. He has come to save us.
You're crazy. I'm coming with you.
Yes, come.
We're looking for the Savior.
What do you mean coming at this hour of the night, pounding at my door this hour of the night? My children are in bed. Now be off with you. You smell like sheep.
Hello? We are looking for a savior, a baby born this day.
Baby born?
Yes. Wrapped in swaddles, lying in a manger.
Did it swaddle it tight? Scientific evidence says that if you swaddle a baby tight, it sleeps longer and it's more comfortable.
I don't know.
Did he swaddle it really
Yeah,
tight?
you know what? It's fine. We'll look
science?
onwards.
You don't want to hear about science?
No, that's fine.
Okay, well I hope you find a new baby.
Yes. We are looking for a baby. The angels told us to find a baby.
Sorry, you'll have to speak up.
Find a baby.
I can't hear you.
I'm looking for a baby.
I'm sorry, I'm hard of hearing. I can't hear you. Disgruntled generation.
We're looking for a baby. The angels told us to find a baby.
Somebody bought Fankiola. Das will det såla då, gets loose. It can't make him no Manger room house granted, hello? Are you kidding me?
This very night, he's supposed to be lying in a manger.
Oh, in my stable right now, if they have a newborn baby, is that what you're looking for?
Yes, show us the way.
Now when Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea, in the days of Herod the king, behold, there came wise men from the east of Jerusalem, saying, Where is he that is born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east, and are come to worship him. When Herod the king had heard these things, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem with him. And when he had gathered all the chief priests and scribes of the people together, he demanded of them where Christ should be born. And they said unto him, In Bethlehem of Judea, for thus it is written by the prophet, And thou, Bethlehem, in the land of Judea, art not the least among the princes of Judah. For out of thee shall come a governor that shall rule my people Israel.
Janelle is looking how I'm feeling every day after my cook week.